you'll get a T10 screwdriver bit. You can go to your local hardware store and ask for T10, and or you can go to BCH Technologies.com and just search for T10. And when you have a T10, why not just grab a T6 too? Normally T6 is smaller and is work on the other parts of the HP printer. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to pry those plastic tabs out. We're going to reach in and grab out this duplexer cover. I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3. I forgot to film this one. And 4 and 5. And the scanner hinge can be removed just by brute force. Put your screwdriver there and just pry it forward. It's going to come off like this. When you put it back, just push it back, push it in, and it's going to snap right in. So remove another screw here, and another screw here, and one final screw, and we're done with all the screws. Oh, too soon. Remember, I forgot screw number 3 on the first run. And here we need to take this part off. And you're going to see one more screw underneath. And lift up gently. There's only one cable, that's a FFC cable to connect to the control panel. So disconnect that cable and you can remove the top part totally off. Now you can get access to the inside of the printer. You can see it's not that hard, it's just a couple screws. And this customer have a persistent paper jam. Look that I found. That's why. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers. We can hit it.